Hey everyone, I am Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video, I am talking about challenges as opportunities to clean and heal. So we all face challenges. We faced challenges in the past. We'll continue to face challenges throughout life. And yet we get so affected and disturbed and feel anxious and worry about challenges that we face. And I got thinking about this even more right now as we just went through a lunar eclipse, and there were so many discussions around how bad this is going to be and all the challenges that are going to come up and the unseen things that are going on that are going to surface because of these eclipses that have happened in the just recently. There was a solar eclipse and there was a lunar eclipse. And I have friends in the healing community, in the astrology community, and there was all this hype about all the, problems that are going to surface globally, politically, in different countries, and personally. And I am currently experiencing a challenge in an area of my life. And I thought, what if we don't need to be scared and worried and afraid? Because we know challenges are part of life. But what if we can have a real attitude shift, a perspective shift towards challenges and see them as an opportunity to release, to clear, and to heal? I see us as divine sparks in a human body. And life is always giving us challenges to release and let go of the things that we've collected over our lifetimes probably, that have created layers and layers and layers of lies and limiting thoughts and limiting beliefs and limiting ways of seeing ourselves that block us from being that spark, from being that, brilliant, bright spark that we are. And so everything that I've experienced in my life, and I'm sure you as well have seen, that when those challenges came, they were gifts in disguise. I don't know. I know some people will get triggered if I say gifts, but something in disguise. They were like clues that gave us insights and epiphanies and clarity about what we needed to work on to move forward with clarity, with grit, with a whole new level of confidence within us. So every time you come across a challenge, known, unknown, what if you could just say, oh, here's an opportunity for me to clear something that is going to help me be my true, authentic self even more, and allow that inner bright light to glow brighter, to shine brighter, to guide me as I navigate this life. And so if you have a small crisis that shows up, well, that's a small little clearing, an opportunity to do some small healing so you feel whole and complete. And if there is a big fat crisis that shows up, it's a big fat opportunity to let go of even more of these layers that we've been holding on to as if they're serving us, and see them as an opportunity to let go of an even bigger issue, a bigger boulder that you're clearing from your path so that you can move forward with more ease, with more feeling lighter and less burdened and happier and healthier. So no matter what size of block or boulder that life throws at you, I think of the game of tennis, right? And when the trainer throws at you these balls, training balls, right? So you're getting trained for the curve balls and the spin balls, and no matter what kind of balls, you just get used to. You practice, you practice, you practice, and you get really used to and really confident and great at handling no matter what balls are thrown at you. And it's the same with life, and it's the same with challenges. They develop you, they strengthen you, they make you strong, and they give you clarity, and they help you master the game of life. And so it's an opportunity, every challenge. What if we could see that as an opportunity to clean, to let go, to heal, and master life, and navigate the ups and downs with even more skill and talent and expertise, and keep moving forward, towards our goals and dreams, and get closer and closer to the truth of who we truly are. A spiritual being, a divine being in a human body. So, not sure if that made sense to you. It's what I wanted to share, impromptu, and hope that helps. And if you liked it, then do give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you like this content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.